Hi everyone, it's Jen, and I am coming to you here from the floor of my apartment because my desk isn't high enough from my camera to do a face down or a top down video yet. So this is my 8x8 mini album. I made it on my desk, so there's no tutorial for it. I'm working on the camera situation. But I wanted to share this. This is a ASC design team project. So head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchases. And let's get going. So this is for a member of the ASC auction house who won one of my auctions before all the other shit hit the fan. So we're going to gift her with this album on top of one of the other ones that she won, and one of them I misplaced, but she's been extremely patient and I appreciate all of it. So we're gonna get this shipped out this week. If you don't want to see it, if you want it to be a surprise and that's you, turn away now. So I did make a charm for this one, and this is just from a literal box of ribbon scraps that I had laying around. I have some cloth beads and some, they're called crystals. This is a little star. I have a graphic 45 antique key. A dolphin charm. I got these two sterling silver plated charms at Michael's on sale for $1, and just miscellaneous things through there, and it just pops off with this little clip. And this is an 8x8 by 3-inch album made from the Make a Splash collection from Graphic 45. I use the journaling or the 12x12, the 12x12 colors and patterns and solids, and the 8x8. So front, spine, these are the ephemera pieces, and back. Also the sticker sheet that comes with the 12x12. And then on the front, I just got these little bubbles that I got from the Stampin' Scrap show here in Ohio, which I filmed a haul for. I haven't put it up yet because it's not the best quality. My lighting is still iffy at best, but let's get started here. The pages are different sizes, but they're 7 3/4 by a maximum of 7.5. In your front cover, you have one of the journaling tags, and I put the tabs on them. And then I just put this cream color on the back so that it stands out, the tag stands out, and used one of the stickers there. The front pocket is also a belly band. And I did not use a corner punch on this one because I just thought with all the waves and stuff that a little 90-degree sharp corner was okay. And then I did use a punch, a border punch here and there, and it is the Martha Stewart border punch. It's right here. It's some kind of floral punch, but it reminded me of seashells at the top, so that's why I used it. That one flips up. And this is just a cut apart page. I used one of the ephemera pieces there. This one has like a lollipop tag in it. Folds up, and then if you wanted to tuck something behind the seahorse, his belly is loose, I think. But he looks good just sitting there. Make a wish on a starfish. Smaller pages, and then a magnet. ASC has magnets online, but they're at the asccraftsupplies.com, not on the Etsy store, because Etsy won't let her sell them. And this is like a sideways waterfall. kind of, sort of. And then a big pocket again. Got one of the journaling tags. This little pocket here, one of the smaller journaling tags, the sticker, and this one flips up. If you ever get one of my albums and something's sticking together, it just means that there's a little bit of tape somewhere. You just have to find it and rub it and it goes away. This is just a flap. And then this flap has a pocket on it. There's just a tag. And then this little cut apart here was in a booklet. And I just let that hang over. This is a double tag pocket. Oh, hang on. There's a flap. There's a journaling card underneath her. Ephemera. And then there's a double pocket page with journaling tags. I used a sticker across here. And then we have a double page. And a small belly band. And another ephemera piece here. Has a small cut apart on it, a small journaling tag. And then this is another pocket with a belly band. And this is one of the stickers. It's raining outside. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. I can hear it. Journaling tag. And a large photo mat booklet. Alright, and then here's a waterfall. And I just matted the front, so you have room for pictures on the back. If you don't want to cover any of the paper, you don't have to. And there's another magnet. Sideways pages here. And then that's just like a little collage there on the back. Okay, this one has this one opens, 4 openings there. And then a large spot in the middle. And then this smaller pocket, take your stuff out of it here. And it has a flap that opens to the side. Scoot over a little bit more. There it is. There's your tag with your tab on it. That's just one cut apart. And then this cut apart I put in a little booklet and then slid it behind this cut apart here, which is only adhered on 2 sides. And then when you flip him open, there's like a middle page, flaps over both sides. And if you notice, I color coordinate my pages. Usually they're almost all blue, almost all purple. Usually Graphic 45 has 3 color combinations in them. This one only has 2, so it was a little harder. The middle one has blue and purple both. This one's a big sticker. It's a belly band with a flap on it. Big journaling tag, big booklet. Slide under there. And we have a nice big place here, a small flap, another lollipop booklet. I used one of the cut aparts here, the border strips, plain on the back, and then a side pocket, a horizontal pocket with a tag in it, or a mat. This is just a flap up, just to add some interest to this page. And then a large page here for photos, and then the back part has just flap up, flap down. So flap up and flap down. In the bottom flap here, we have a cut apart, and it is open on one side if you wanted to stick something underneath that. One of the journaling tags, and another photo mat. So there you are. That is my Graphic 45 Make a Splash album. I hope everybody enjoyed it. Eventually, when I get my camera all settled and figured out, I'll be able to do some tutorials for you again. I hope everybody has a wonderful night. Head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchases, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.